And for pre-nursery, Angelo, Georgia, and Vilon. For Miss Jamel P. Omones, he will receive Best in Singing and Dancing Award and Helpfulness Award. For Von Austin G. Rojo, he will receive Best in Singing and Dancing Award and Helpfulness Award. For Patrick H. Santiago, he will receive Obedience Award and Best in Singing and Dancing Award. For Josh B. Sumido, he will receive Proactive and Alertness Award, Diligence and Industries Award, and Best in Singing and Dancing Award. For Hermione Leonette D. Tampus, she will receive Proactive and Alertness Award and Best in Singing and Dancing Award. And for Alexa Lorraine M. Tere, she will receive Respectfulness Award and Best in Singing and Dancing Award. Congratulations, nursery students!